Just like women are out there looking for someone to pay everything to replace their father, men are out there looking for women to cook and clean and replace their mother. Wake up, everybody. The person that you're dating is not your parent. This is not the 50s, 60s, 70s, or 80s. This is 2022, about to be 23. Stop going into these relationships looking for somebody to do some typical duties for you, like cooking and cleaning. That's something that the older generation used to do. Now we can hire someone to do those things for the low. So all of us modern day people out here using smartphones and making up little dances and shit, sneaky linking, swiping like a motherfucker. Please understand that you are modern and this is a new day and age, ladies and gentlemen. So please stop being outside in this dating pool complaining about piss being in it simply because you're going out in it looking for someone to be your mama or your absent daddy. Don't nobody want to be out here trying to date Norman Bates. Don't no dude want to be on a date with a grown-ass woman talk about something. I'm a pretty princess. I believe in gumdrops, rainbows, and unicorns. If you don't put your big girl pants on and come back and see me when you ready to grow up, no wonder everybody getting tired of everybody because y'all doing this all the way wrong for some reason. Everybody has like these weird, unrealistic expectations of each other. Get out your own way. All of y'all are in your own way. Male, female, black, white, purple, Puerto Rican, green, velvet. All y'all tripping. Clear your mind. Stop looking at social media trying to one up each other and get all this relationship advice from people who really don't want to see y'all unify with each other. What a lot of these people are doing when they get on social media and give you relationship advice, they want the views and the people following behind them. They aren't genuinely a relationship coach or a life coach. They're out here just looking for some attention. And you're sitting there and you're listening to their advice. People out here giving me a hard time because I decided to be celibate for 5 years after my last relationship. Some men out here are telling women not to listen to me because I'm sitting here single. Just because I'm single doesn't mean I've never been in a relationship before or I don't know what it means to be in a healthy one. I don't need to be a toilet to know how to flush it. And to the black men who keep trying to compare me to other coaches, like their favorite one, Kevin Samuels. I'm a single woman on purpose. Kevin Samuels had 2 failed marriages that he didn't necessarily want to fail and a terrible relationship with his daughter. I'm sitting here with a healthy 21-year co-parenting relationship, friendship with my daughter's father. Use that as an example. It's still ongoing. And it's a man that I deal with and talk to every day, ups and downs, through everything. I know how to be loyal. I know how to love. I know how to show support. I know how to be understanding. I know how to listen to men. And that's why I was a dating coach for as long as I was for men. But for some reason, men have been extremely difficult to deal with because of social media, because of some of the male content creators on here who are using this place as a place to vent instead of going out there getting the therapy that they need. I am not against therapy. I'm not making fun of anybody who had a mental health issue because I definitely went out there and got the counseling I needed as well. We all need it. We all need a level of guidance. Some people don't want to go to a therapist. I tell you what, go to somebody that you can trust. Go to somebody that you know. Go to somebody that you feel comfortable with. That's okay. We can dig that. But please, for the love of fucking God, stop going out here using the internet as a place for you to vent. Vent your frustrations out about your own poor choices in men or your own poor choices in women. Welcome to my side of the internet. My name is Soncerae Monique. I'm a certified life coach for both men and women. I have a 50-50 audience, so I try to play fair with both genders. I'm going to keep it real with both of y'all. Everybody can improve because everybody is a part of the problem. I want everyone to unify and produce loving unions. Hopefully you do too. There is no gender war here. I promote positive perspectives and healthy debate, so be careful what you post inside of my comment section. It is very much okay to disagree, but have emotional intelligence and release toxicity elsewhere, ladies and gents. Don't take it out on each other. Make sure you follow me on all of my socials. Go to SonceraeMonique.com to purchase any of my books or to sign up on any of my membership sites. Thank you for spending time with me. Have vision and stay focused. Namaste.